Hey there! Are you familiar with the term psychoacoustics? Well, in order to understand psychoacoustics, let us first understand sound. Sound is made when objects vibrate. It is something we hear and produce daily, and it travels through mediums such as solid, liquid, and gas. Sound, however, is unable to travel in space since it is a vacuum, thus having no mediums for sound to travel. With that in mind, let's go back to psychoacoustics and see how it relates with sound. What exactly is psychoacoustics? Psychoacoustics was started by Pythagoras when he first heard the sounds of strings vibrating and hammers hitting anvils in the 6th century BC. It is the study of sound perception in audiology. In other words, psychoacoustics is a study about how humans perceive various sounds and how they react to these sounds. How does psychoacoustics work? To put it in simple terms, a sound that is produced is picked up by the ear. That sound then travels to the brain and is interpreted. The brain then promptly sends signals for the body to act. An example of this is when we encounter particular sounds that hurt our ear. Our very first instinct will be either to avoid the sound or eliminate the sound in some sort of way. This is because our brain has deemed the sound to be annoying and unwanted, signaling our body to take the appropriate action. This is only one example of psychoacoustics. Here's another one. When humans hear sounds that would cause their brain to be confused, how would they react? Let's find out with an experiment. How will people react if they hear a scream out of nowhere? There were two participants. Participant A reacted by turning her head towards the direction of the scream and tried to find where the sound was coming from for about 7 seconds. After that, she decided to continue on her way. Participant B, on the other hand, also turned her head towards the direction of the scream for about a second. But unlike participant A, participant B immediately ran away as fast as she can away from the scream's place of origin. The scream induced confusion, fear, and shock, causing their bodies to take the appropriate action for the situation. Psychoacoustics is a broad study. It is an interdisciplinary field of many areas, including psychology, acoustics, electronics engineering, physics, biology, physiology, and computer science. What we've discussed is simply its concept. Understanding psychoacoustics moves us closer to the unending wonders of the human body. Remember, be careful of sounds that may hurt you, because not all sounds are worth hearing. This is Amar M. Abid Ali from Hinigaran National High School.